Alright guys, okay, you know what time it is, it's ziggy time, you know what I'm saying, okay? Today we told you we'll be doing some ab exercises, you know. The abdominal has different parts we want to hit, the lower part and then the upper part and also the side which has the lap handles, alright? So basically what we are doing today is we'll be doing some body sculpting exercises, alright? Which mostly will work on our abdominal, okay? A continuous exercise, we do 45 seconds and then we rest for 15 seconds, alright? So start now, then let's go. Alright, 20 seconds more. If you are in there, keep with me. Alright, then 45 seconds in, and then with me, let's go. Okay. Okay, so the next exercise we are going to do is called the Russian twist. Yeah, I did a lot of work today, so my whole leg is a mess. And I'm still doing the running every day. Maybe summer. So the Russian twist is basically stretch your leg forward. Okay. Stretch your leg forward. Up. Okay. So you touch one side, touch the other side, touch. Right? So if you guys are ready, remember, if you can only do two, please do two. The form is very important to me. Okay? This form is very important, being able to hold the form and switch. Alright? So let's go straight into the exercise. So the timer starts, okay, touch the side, okay. This will hit the sideway of the abdomen, okay, the left handed part, okay. So we are going this for 45 seconds. This doesn't look that easy. Okay, if you are hanging in there, if you are tired, relax and continue with me. Okay, so remember 20 seconds more. Okay, you want to do this, keep your pace, breathe. Okay, alright, so after this you rest for 15 seconds. Right? These are very strenuous exercise. You see me breathing. So 15 seconds, we have like 10 seconds more to go. Alright, exercise we are going to look into is called leg raises. So basically, you are in this position, make sure your head is up as if there's a pillow. Okay. So your hand, you can spread your hand if you want, but most of the time you spread your hand like this. Okay. So basically your hand in this form. Okay. Leg raise and bring it down. Okay. About a few inches from the ground. Don't touch the ground. Right? Not less than the ground. Okay. So we go 45 seconds. Then rest for another 15 seconds. Okay, let's go. Alright, so in, out, okay. Make sure you breathe the whole process. Okay, good job. Okay, keep in there. Alright, let's go. Yeah, these exercises are not easy when you start the first day are hard. Okay, with time, your core will become stronger for you to do the 45 seconds. You have like 10 seconds more. Okay, let's go. So relax for 15 seconds. Make sure you take some time to relax for another 15 seconds. Yeah. Good for us to relax. Okay. Take your time. Relax. The next exercise we'll be looking at is hip raises. Right? So let's go straight. 15 seconds up. Let's go to the hip raises. Ready? So guys, the next exercise we are looking at is hip raises. Alright? Hip raises. So this is how it's demonstrated. Okay? So the same position that you wear in the leg raises. Okay? Your hand a little bit wider. Here. Okay? Then you push forward. Okay? Bring it in and bring yourself up. Okay, so sometimes you need a lot of support, so the momentum is coming from if I do this and I come here. Okay. That's the hip raises. Okay, so up, hip, okay, up. Okay, remember here, bring it in, use the same momentum and go up. Okay, so we'll do that for 45 seconds. Yeah, let me tell you. Okay, this is hard. If I'm not able to do the 45 seconds, just don't give up, okay? If you do 2 and you're tired, continue with us, do 2 tired, do 2 tired until 45 seconds, okay? Alright, let's go. So, basically, this is how it is. That's 45 seconds. Okay, we have a 15 seconds rest. Relax a little bit. Take some time off and relax. Okay, in 15 seconds we start another one. Okay, good job, guys. Right, you are this way. Okay, still be on the ground. Okay. Hand on the side, give yourself some little bit support on the hand. Okay. Now spread your leg in this way. Make sure your leg doesn't touch the ground. Then switch up and down. Okay. I hope you get the movement. Switch up and down. And this time I got my leg. Okay. Let's do stuff. Lace the shoe. Okay. So basically, remember this way. Right, hand and then you for support, then you kick and down. Okay, it's called a flatted kick. So you kick 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, for 45 seconds. Okay, if you want to have more pressure, just do this instead. Because this one, you're not hanging on your muscles, you're hanging just in the head. Okay, good job. Alright, so 45 seconds for this, 15 seconds rest. Okay, let's go. 9, 10. Okay, if you are in the hand, you will move. Okay, 15 seconds gone, 30 seconds. Okay, slowly kick up and down, Okay. Breathe if you have to breathe. Don't put your don't put your head on the ground. Keep your head up. Okay, see if a pillow is underneath. Then, okay, the lower abdomen. Okay. 10 seconds more, almost 5 seconds more. Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah, there. Mostly I'm seated in and out. So, what actually we do in this exercise, see the position I am in right now. Turn your hand forward. Okay, your hand is supposed to be forward. Raise your leg, stretch it in, and stretch it back. Okay, you're pushing in and out. Okay. I'm really in breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Remember, I learned recently that most of our fat is burned from we breathing. That's interesting. I thought when you sweat you breathe. Most 84% of our fat is burned when we breathe, okay? So now you ready? Let's go 45 seconds for this exercise. Okay? So I'm here, out. Okay? Let's go. Okay, don't give up. This is the last part one exercise. Okay? Feel it. Okay? Slowly. We're almost there. Slowly. That was hard. Good job, guys.